This woman was driving a Slingshot like it was GTA until she lost control and smashed straight into a pedicab, then into a Swedish family who literally landed 30 minutes ago, then into a building, causing over $12,000 in damages. And if that wasn't enough, she tried to run.
Miss,
I did not try to leave, I tried to back up.
Okay.
When caught, she screamed.
This is not my fault!
Stop.
But wait, it gets worse. At the police station, when officers tried to help her out, she proudly said,
Do you not know how many times I've been arrested here?
Are you-
So many.
and when they told her she had court, she goes.
He doesn't like me. I shouldn't be here, and he told me that.
Hey, she almost hit her. And she,
Okay,
tried,
all right.
to leave.
Miss.
I did not try to leave, I tried to back up.
Okay, I'm officer. So I need you to come with
Yes,
me, okay?
sir.
All right, come on.
Also, the
Slow down.
Yeah,
Slow down.
I'm totally cool.
Slow down. Was anybody with you in this vehicle?
No, sir, just me.
All right, hold on. Relax. I told you to
I'm
slow
good.
down.
I'm totally good.
I told you to slow down, okay? Relax.
Yeah.
All right? We're going to go across the street over here. Yeah, well, what do you
she
need?
hit the building pretty hard. Too.
Okay, all right. My car's over there, okay? Just relax. Over here, follow me. My name is okay? I got multiple witnesses saying that you lost control of the vehicle. You hit a
When
pedicab.
when I hit that
You hit that
pedicab,
pedicab
when I hit
driver.
the side of that pedicab, that's when the back of the, I don't know, it just kind of went out of control.
Okay, have you been drinking today, miss?
No.
'Cause I can smell alcohol coming from you.
No.
I can smell alcohol coming from you.
Well, I did not.
All right, let's start on the right foot. Let's be honest with each other. All right? Again, my name is Officer. I'm here to investigate and to help you. Okay? I need you to be honest with me. You smell like alcohol. You had a few drinks. What did you have to drink?
It was at Fat Tuesdays,
Okay, how long ago?
like an hour ago.
All right, and what was that if I had to
It
say?
was an octane.
Octane?
But it has
right.
absolutely nothing to do with
All right,
this.
the octane drink an hour ago, how big was it? How many ounces? you
That
did?
was just a regular like that.
Regular like that? Okay.
But this has absolutely nothing to do with that.
Okay, do me a favor. You're not under arrest, but I'm going to have you sit in my car for a second because I got to take some pictures of the car, okay? All right? Have a seat in there. Again, you're not under arrest. I'll be right with you, okay?
No. What the fuck?
You're good. Put your leg in.
I'm not, no. I need a lawyer.
Okay, listen.
This is not,
Listen.
I'm not getting, nope.
We're conducting an
You're
investigation.
not, an
Miss,
investigation. I had nothing to do.
Miss.
The thing was right
Miss.
there.
Okay, let me give you an advice.
All right.
If you resist my lawful orders, you're gonna be in handcuffs and you're gonna be under arrest for resisting. Okay?
But I'm not going to resist because
You
there's
are
nothing-
because I'm ordering you to stay in my car for a second while I do some investigation. I'll be right with you. Okay? Put your leg in.
They don't like me. None of
your
these
leg-
people like me.
Put your leg in. Put your leg in.
I'm not going to put my leg in.
All right.
No.
Get off your phone. Get off your phone. Stop
right.
resisting. You're gonna
not
get another
resisting. All right,
charge. Get your phone
There's
out.
no
All right, put your hands behind your back.
No, listen.
Put your hands behind your
Let-
back. You're resisting
Stop.
arrest.
I'm not here.
You are.
Stop. No, I'm not.
You are resisting arrest. Put your hands behind your back.
Sit there.
Look, I'm not resisting
Get away.
at all.
Don't resist it.
Come on,
okay?
boss 71.
Don't escalate it.
The female is resisting arrest.
Don't resist
Okay.
anything.
You're under arrest. You're under arrest for resisting and for being under the influence of alcohol. Let the phone go.
Do you want me to hold her phone? I'm her husband.
You're her husband?
Yes.
Stop resisting, I told
Don't
you.
resist.
Resisting.
You are.
Resist.
Stop tensing up.
I said, here's the phone.
Stop tensing up.
Don't move.
You want a cell phone?
What's wrong with you?
I was giving you the phone. I don't
You've
just.
been
I'm not a criminal, dude.
Well, you just became one by resisting.
This is not my fault.
Stop.
This
Stop.
is not my fault.
Stop. 71, I got one in custody.
Can you go back away, please?
You're under arrest for resisting.
This is how you want to end your
This is not
You're not helping.
my
Can you go
fault.
away? You're not helping this.
Right, let's get her in the car. Yeah.
What should I do with the slingshot? That's,
Don't worry, we'll take care of it. That's the one she was
I
driving.
don't want it to get killed.
She's your wife. Where's the license at?
Probably it's in the slingshot somewhere.
Do me a favor, when you're done with the crash investigation, let me know so I can start my DUI investigation.
But she didn't drink.
She's drunk. All right, what's the, I need her license.
It's in there.
Is it here? And you guys are legally married?
Yeah, yes, sir.
You guys are legally married?
Yeah.
All right. You want her, the rest of her stuff?
Yeah, I'll take it.
All right. I'll take this.
But should I tow the slingshot?
It's part of an accident. We got to tow it ourselves. Okay?
On the DUI, maybe she didn't drink, you know?
She hit the building and then she tried to take off. Wow. This guy was driving right.
Okay, this guy right here. Thank you.
She was hitting me. I was thrown into the wall. So I don't know if you have any questions.
Okay. Yes, I'm gonna have questions for you because you got injured in this.
Yeah. I was like,
Okay.
just jumped over there. Me and my family, my son and my wife.
Okay. So, do you want medical to take a look at you?
Yeah, he needs to. I don't know really.
That kind of looks pretty bad.
She tried to drive away. She's trying to back up. I reached in and tried to shut the thing off. Steering's broke. She couldn't turn it, but she was trying to turn it to the left.
Okay. Can you sit up there for a second? You have an ID with you? Driver's license, passport.
From Sweden, like 30 minutes ago. Just the hotel around the corner, so I can get some ID.
Yeah.
I got my passport.
I need you to stay though. Okay. So you're traveling south on. She went to go around you at the intersection, right?
Yeah, and then after she just comes so fast and
She sideswiped your vehicle and then went off and hit the building.
Yes, and it was no car was coming anyway, so that was no car were coming.
Okay.
Bubba, so you still have back pain?
No back pain, but what?
No back pain.
My butt.
Your butt pain. All right, butt pain. It's pain in the butt tonight. I get it. Hey, let me ask you: did you lose consciousness? You dizzy? Anything like that?
No,
Do you want to go to the hospital for further evaluation with a doctor?
I just called my friend. He's coming, so I just have a pain in my butt.
Do you want to go? Do you want to go in an ambulance to the hospital right
I'm
now?
just going to give you my suggestion. Go get checked out. It's not worth. I mean, you got hit pretty hard. Lucky he's alive.
Bro, I'm still alive, man.
Trust me, I saw it. She tried to take off and she almost hit somebody backing out.
Yeah, me. I was trying
So
to.
you going with me, brother, or what?
Yeah.
It's up to you. You can also. Here's the thing. You don't have to go with me. You're conscious alert.
How are you, sir?
Yeah.
Handle your customer, or I just questions about your merchandise and all of that stuff. Is anything actually broken?
As you can see, the window it's
Yeah, it's pushed in. It's separated.
It moves.
Okay.
But the rest, everything's fine.
Okay, so I got pictures of the building outside. I got a picture of that right now. I just wanted to make sure whether or not you actually had damaged merchandise.
No.
No? Not at all? Okay. You're welcome.
I think we just want to say that may be of importance. I'm sure you've heard of all the statements. We saw the whole thing happen.
Okay.
But me and my wife, we saw her go up the road, come back down the road, and each time she'd come back here, which is at least once or twice, she would screech those tires.
Okay.
She was trying to make an impact around here, and I don't know if she was doing it up there also. But it was reckless driving.
Okay.
Before any of this happened.
Would you be willing to write
Yes, of
everything that you saw and all of that on a witness statement
Absolutely.
and swear to it?
Yeah, of course.
Okay. The people that I just spoke to, the gentleman and his wife, this lady has been up and down this road screeching her tires and doing all kinds of stuff quite a few times already.
That's what I've been hearing.
So they're going to fill out actual statements to what they saw, how many times they saw it, up to leading to the crash and after the crash.
Okay.
Yes. All right. As of right now, you're under arrest for resisting an officer, resisting to lawful orders, lawful commands, and possibly DUI. So, first of all, before I ask you any questions, I have to read you your rights. Keeping these rights in mind, do you wish to continue talking to me?
I don't see why not.
Okay, I need a yes or no. I'm going to ask you questions that may be incriminating.
Well, I don't see why not.
Okay, so is that a yes?
Depends on what kind of question.
Okay, like I said, you were involved in a traffic crash. Now we're gonna go into a DUI investigation. Do you want to continue talking to me about the DUI investigation?
There is definitely no DUI investigation.
Okay, all right. So, have you asked any law enforcement to ask to talk to an attorney? Okay, so now we're going to the phase of the DUI investigation, which is I gotta ask if you're willing to participate in field sobriety exercises.
No, sir.
Okay. refusing to participate in the field sobriety exercises.
Everything.
Can
I don't care.
May
6 months, take my license. I don't care.
May
I'm not. No.
Refusing to participate in
Refuse
it.
everything.
I know, but I just have to let you know.
I'm refusing everything.
Okay, be refusing to participate can go against you in future court proceedings.
You need to talk to Caesar. I mean, the cab was parked out there, and I was looking at the drag
So
queens,
you refuse to participate
all
in field
them
sobriety
drag
exercises?
queens, you know.
Do you? You refuse to participate in field sobriety exercises? Okay. There's also all right, that's fine. That's your right. It's voluntary.
There was drag queens looking very pretty.
That's voluntary. That's voluntary. You don't have to participate. Now, we also have to take a breath sample from you.
No, sir.
If you refuse to...
No, sir, I refuse.
That breath test that I'm requesting
I
of you?
refuse.
Okay. Your license will be suspended for a year?
That is totally fine.
Okay. If you have been suspended before for prior refusal, your license will be suspended for 18 months.
Okay.
Are you okay with that?
Are you okay with that?
I'm asking you.
Driving.
I know, but another one under arrest for DUI.
Let's go. This is no DUI
All
case.
right. Step out of the car. I help you out.
I don't need help. I'm not drunk.
Let's just make this easy, okay? You already made this hard for yourself on the scene. We're at the jail. Do not catch.
I already know the process. Do
right.
you not know how many times I've been arrested here?
Okay, are you?
So many.
All right. You almost sound like you're proud of that.
I'm definitely not proud of, but this is definitely no DUI case.
All right, no, stay. All right, now we can go. Look, we gotta go upstairs. That way. And living counter for now. I gotta give you information reference 3 citations from tonight's traffic stop, okay? And secondly, traffic crash investigation. The first one is a citation for careless driving, which is what caused the accident. You're careless driving, okay? You gotta see a judge on November 9th at the courthouse, Judge Fowler, 9 a.m. I'm sorry, Judge Wilson.
Oh, I was gonna say.
Judge Wilson.
Okay.
Okay?
It's been a while since I've seen Fowler.
That's one. I also got to tell you that signing this citation does not constitute guilt. It's just that I got to give you a copy. The second citation is in reference to DUI, alcohol or drugs, for driving under the influence of alcohol. Same court date, November 9th, same time, 9 a.m., same judge, Judge Wilson. The third one is DUI and damaged property. Your vehicle damaged a building. You ran into a building, and it's an estimate over $12,000 in damage.
That was damaged
for the building. Yeah.
Well, that wasn't my fault. The vehicle went that way, so I had no control over that.
Okay.
No control over that.
All right.
So.
All right. So 3 citations. I signed them myself. Now I need you to sign them. Right here.
Well, the one with
yes, ma'am.
On the building.
You can.
That vehicle went that way. I had no control over that. I tried to pull it that way, but it went that way.
It went the other way. Okay, you can tell the judge that, Wilson. He's a very good judge and very fair.
No, he doesn't like me.
He's a fair guy.
He does not like me.
Fair judge.
He does not like me.
Signature or violator, right there. That's right in your autograph. How do you know he doesn't like you?
He doesn't.
Okay.
I shouldn't be here, and he told me that. But
he told
this
you?
was an accident.
All right. Good luck to you, okay?
It is what it is.
Do you have copies for her?
Yeah, right here.
Okay.
Yeah.